Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the exact emoji picker for the app you use. This matters because different apps show different variants. Tap the emoji or globe icon now. If you do not see many options, go to Settings and enable extra emoji keyboards. This increases available glyphs. Once done, think which category likely contains blue, objects, faces, nature, or symbols. Doing that narrows your search and speeds up finding the right blue emoji quickly. You now perform the actual search. Type blue or related keywords like ocean, sky, or blue heart into the emoji search box. This gets you immediate matches. Make sure to also try shorthand or plural forms if results seem sparse. If your keyboard lacks search, tap category icons, objects nature, symbols to scan visually where blue items typically appear. As you look, note differences in platform rendering, because the same name can appear slightly different across devices. You finish by selecting the blue emoji and inserting it into your message. If variants exist, long press to reveal them and pick the best fit. If you cannot find a blue option, make sure your app and operating system are updated because missing glyphs often mean outdated emoji sets. Alternatively, install a third-party emoji keyboard. Finally, send the emoji to another device or chat to confirm rendering. This checks compatibility and prevents unexpected color or style changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.